Looking for a truck that defines power, durability, and innovation? Meet the Ford F-150, America's best-selling truck for a reason. The Ford F-150 combines toughness with modern design. A bold grille, powerful LED headlights, and aerodynamic body lines make it a beast on and off the road. Under the hood, you get a choice of powerful engines, from the fuel-efficient EcoBoost V6 to the monstrous 5.0-liter V8. With best-in-class towing and off-road capability, the F-150 is built to handle any challenge. Step inside, and you'll find a high-tech and comfortable cabin. The 12-inch touchscreen with Sync 4, premium leather seats, and smart safety features make every drive a pleasure. The Ford F-150 isn't just about power, it's smart too. With Pro Power Onboard, you can use your truck as a generator, while the tailgate work surface makes job sites easier than ever. The Ford F-150 is more than just a truck, it's a lifestyle. Whether you need it for work, adventure, or everyday driving, it's got your back. Want to see more? Like, share, and subscribe for more epic automotive content.